What do you want me to film though? Like, I'm not a very good filmer.
It's not my birthday!
It is sometime soon.
No!
It's sometime soon.
Someday.
So are we gonna like sing a song?
Yes, we are.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
What are
birthday.
you doing?
Oh my gosh! That cannot be safe to eat.
Oh my gosh.
I'll eat
This
it!
cannot be safe to eat. No.
I think I'm about like killing himself.
I ate it.
Happy
It
birthday
tasted
to
really
Jordan
bad.
Elvis.
I cannot
Okay,
believe
load
this
up,
is
load up, load up.
flammable. Yeah, go ahead.
That
Hope.
is awesome.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You did not lose.
Can you believe this is flammable? Look at
That
that.
is
Jesse.
awesome. Look at that. It's freaking burning.
And we were eating them.
I know.
Hurry up.
Anytime now.
Hurry up.
Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Let's go.
Okay, let's relight them. Let's relight them. I want to get my money's worth out of these candles. Let's go. Let's go.
Relight 'em?
Oh.
Really?
Can you relight those? Yes, you can. That's awesome.
Oh.
Yes, that's right.
How the days?
That's pretty good.
Okay, so this is basically what we did all day. We went to Five Guys, and then we couldn't decide what to do, and so we went to Petland, and we met our buddy Ryan Shockney. Wow! What are you doing?
I don't know.
Dude!
You're gonna set the whole cake on fire. This is awesome.
What is your problem?
No! Stop it!
He's burning the cake. Oh my gosh. Do not trust him with fire. Oh my gosh.
That's cool. That's cool. You got cake up my nose. Awesome.
Oh my gosh. And so then we went to Kroger, and we decided to make a cake, and this is what happened.
And then we went back to Pet Planet and we asked for Ryan's name.
Basically, we were creepers the entire day.
Put it in his hair! In his hair!
No.
Oh my gosh. That's right.
What do you want me to?
Right. Oh my gosh. This is vicious.
I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, wow, Hope. Wow. Way to go. No, I'm good. I'm good. Jacob, wow. Look at that. Wow. That's awesome.
I have an O on my
I think
sleeve.
our cake's pretty much
You got an O on my sleeve.
ruined.
Hey, it tastes pretty good.
Does it really? I need to have
Okay.
something. Can we hold it? Or no, you can't. No one can.
Here, I'll feed you some.
Take a picture of the cake now.
Yeah, you need to take a picture of the cake now. That's good.
It's
It's
moist.
got wax like all in it.
Wow.
Wow. Have fun with that, sir.
Great.
You couldn't giggle.
You're disgusting. Yeah, cake. He has cake in his ear.
Probably my eye.
Probably. Wouldn't surprise
I have
me.
no idea. How
Truth.
Can you hold it? Gracias.
Okay, stop filming it so I can put this online. Bye!